must be doing a lot of throwing down over there in Mississippi. Maybe 445 got a 6-element beam straightened out over there and got it pointed at you. See, maybe I can get a hold of him.
Cabinet member A351, you can bank on that. A351, you can bet on that.
A127, it all comes down to whether I got some conditions or not. That's all it is. I probably don't have no conditions over around Mississippi, but I might have it up under your antenna over there.
How about your country boy, Smoky Hill? 152, Big Apple, stand by. Country boy, 152, 152, stand by.
I'll tell you what, it's a mess right about now coming out of the northeast corner. Big old mess. But, hey, I got this gate rolling. I'll let it run for a little bit. I'm kicked back here listening. Hey, 302, I got you up here in this gate, man. On 351's got this gate rolling.
They call me 302 Fox around Massachusetts. I'm reading your mail.
Hey, 302 out of Massachusetts. Yeah, man, you're throwing it down. A bunch of them in the northeast corner coming into this receiver. You can listen to it on 351 radio on YouTube. The gate's rolling. I'm back listening. Hey, John Shaft, that Mako antenna's working, man, out of Baltimore. Hey, you have a wonderful weekend, man. I'll try to put it up on you, see if you can grab a hold of it. You're 351 in Florida waving at you.
Audio, let me see what this teardrop can do. I'm gone. Chicken bone, d.w.r, read the mail. How about $1.99, $1.99?
John Shaffer, 434. Good evening, man with no name, 434 in the gardens. Back out.
New York City, Big dog, Kentucky, 421 tap side, 4 fingers and no name, 152, d.w.r.
Getting up and getting down. I appreciate it hard hitting me. 40 bucks. That was some fine weekend for you and yours.
How about you, no name, 152, we got the moving. Fall off the ski, man, a roll back a little bit, take my knees and put them in the breeze. Hey, man, with no name, 421 top side, B-Town, the one and only worldwide dirty water radio, goddamn. Got it. New York sounding good.
Hey, 434, where'd you go?
I'm up in here, man. I must not have heard you in there. I got this thing looking at it.
Yeah, man, I heard you come up. My receiver just had to keyed up and holler back at you, 434. You have a good weekend up there. Your friend in Florida just waving back listening.
All right, man. Well, welcome to the weekend. Good to hear you there, man. Trying to stay warm up here in the garden, so I don't know if this antenna's going to get turned at all. I got to go do the old hand rotor. But appreciate the bump down. 351 in your center. For my cold garden is back out.